They're on virtually every menu at every meal. Roasted, mashed, baked, fried.
Somebody asked me once if I was on a desert island, what kind of food. If I had to be there for a year and only have one, I said potatoes.
And she's not alone on that island. Stats Canada says potatoes are the most eaten vegetable in the country.
I'd probably eat them 4 times a week.
Now a large study done by Harvard researchers says our taste for taters may lead to high blood pressure.
Participants who consumed 4 or more than 4 servings a week of baked, boiled, or mashed potatoes had an 11% higher risk of developing hypertension.
Researchers suggest the starch in spuds raises your blood sugar, and replacing 1 serving a day with a non-starchy vegetable such as broccoli or spinach may lower your blood pressure. But other experts are openly asking, are there bad foods or just bad diets? Arguing conflicting studies are just confusing people.
You can't look at one food and ask, is it good or is it bad for you?
Doctors say we should be thinking about dietary patterns or the variety and proportions of what we regularly eat and drink.
It's more important to look at your overall diet and to eat a diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables, has a lot of whole grains, very little meat, moderate amount of alcohol consumption.
Back at the pub, the downside of the potato isn't up for debate.
I'm 85 and I've heard it all before. Just take it with a grain of salt.
But not too much salt or coffee or red wine. And considering potatoes make up 30% of the vegetables Canadians eat, you may want to substitute that fries as often as you can. Christine Burak, CBC News, Toronto.